Hello fellow Cineholics, my name is Mugdha and today I'll be talking about Malik. The best part about the rise of OTT platforms is the fact that it has made us more closer to cinema beyond Bollywood. Especially the Malayalam cinema has been witnessing a wider audience pan-India. Malayalam cinema, at least in recent times, is getting both a good audience and a critical acclaim, which serves as an evidence for its good quality content. Also, before we head into the review, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Malik is about Fahad Fazil's character Suleiman, also affectionately called Ali Ikka, where this underdog ends up becoming a leader, or actually more like a godfather personality in a coastal village, Ramadapalli. Movie mostly works forward in flashbacks, and not one, not two, but three different flashback sequences told in three different perspectives. Right from the very first sequence, which is a 13 to 15 minute one long take, prepares us to buckle up because director Mahesh Narayana with cinematographer Sanu John Varghese are all set to take us along the great ride of a cinematic brilliance, and no, they do not disappoint. Initially, we are shown that this close to 58-year-old leader is all set to go on a Hajj pilgrimage, but later at the airport is halted by police officers and is taken away. What happened, why it happened, and what will happen, all these questions get answered as we are taken into the past life of Ali Ikka through flashbacks, telling us how he became who he is now. Writing is definitely a winner here. Mahesh Narayan, the writer, director and the editor of Malik, made sure that each character has their separate development, visible emotional arc well connected to the main guy Suleiman, and also their diverse perception of Suleiman in a detailed way, ताकि story में सब कुछ ऐसे रायते की तरह फैला हुआ ना लगे, because there is so much to witness. There are many events, theme explored and portrayed over around 2.5 hours. While understanding this complicated man with his complicated dynamics with everyone else, we have a narrative consisting of political and police corruption, religious conflicts, and even communal riots. There is a small love story too, friendship, enmity, friends turning back at each other, betrayal, revenge, drama, pain, anguish. सारे इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स अनियन पील की तरह लेयर बाय लेयर स्टोरी में रिवील होते रहते हैं. Another great thing about the good writing and direction here is that at no place this gangster template movie gets outlandish or over the top dramatic. Yes, Suleiman becomes the savior of the villagers, but his character never dives into being a masala hero, and this particular feature of maintaining the raw and realistic characters and events keeps the story interesting. Yes, for some people, around 3-year-long movie can be a challenging task. Even I thought the time would function as a hurdle, क्योंकि attention span तो 5 seconds से ज़्यादा बैठता नहीं है आजकल. But this multi-layered narrative is weaved together perfectly with the top-class cinematography, amazing music, and brilliant performances. Acha, talking about performances, I mean, yes, the movie is the Fahad Fazil show, but that do not foreshadow the work of other actors. Whether it's Nimisha Sajayan playing Rosalind, Vinay Fort as David, Jojo George as Anwar Ali, everybody played their respective role with perfection. I'm already a big fan of Fahad Fazil. I mean, the very limited amount of Malayalam cinema that I have explored in the last year, most of the movies starred him, whether it's You Soon, Kumbalangi Night, Super Deluxe, Jojo, Bangalore Days. Here too, he shines with his spectacular acting. Malik was made for the big screens and was scheduled to release in April 2020, but इस पेंडेमिक ने हमारे गोवा में वेकेशन प्लान्स के अलावा मूवी के रिलीज में भी रोक लगा दी, and it released online. But surely this movie, which definitely is a visual treat, would have been a great experience in theatre. Also, if you haven't seen the content from Malayalam cinema yet, believe me, you are missing out on a lot. I would seriously suggest you to take a dive in, and believe me, you'd want to explore more and more. Do let me know your views about the movie in the comment section below. Do comment your current favorite movie from the Malayalam cinema. Do hit the like button, share the video to support, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for some more cinema talks. You can also follow me on Instagram, handle is sincerely.cineholic. Thanks a lot for watching this review. Keep watching.